here when you replace it. That way if there's any question or the sticker falls off, you always have it on the oil filter. Now, next thing, we just clean up some of the oil.
Why are you telling me that?
I'm talking to my camera, my video. Okay, everything's tight there. Bring this out. Bring that out. All right. Put this here. Do this. Okay, now add the oil. You can use a funnel, which is recommended. They sell, usually with oil changes, they have like a basket at like these auto parts places with you can buy an oil filter, a drain pan, and a funnel for a certain price, and it's usually a pretty good deal. And you save money. Hey, changing your own oil save you a lot of money in the long run. It's all about taking care of your car so it can take care of you. You trying to steal, man? All right, so one down, 4 to go. So anyways, you add 5 quarts. Okay, so the moral of the story is